In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create user-generated content using HeyGen's AI tool. If you are an Amazon seller or if you're an Amazon influencer and you're creating content for your product that you want to sell or you want to promote, and you're struggling to create a lot of different videos at scale, then HeyGen is going to help you do all this for you. So I'm going to show you the latest features from HeyGen. So if you log into HeyGen, you will notice there's a new feature called URL to UGC. So basically it means taking a URL and creating as a user-generated content. You can see on this page, it will support Amazon products, Shopify products, Etsy, and eBay. So let's take one example on Amazon right now. Okay, inside one of the product on Amazon, let's say I want to buy a wireless charging. I want to promote a wireless charging device. So I'm just going to copy the entire URL, going back to HeyGen, paste this link, and then that's all you have to do. Generate UGC videos. What it will do at the back is HeyGen is going to scrape that website, that particular URL. It's going to grab those images from Amazon. It's going to research the listing, the details, descriptions, and then coming up with the video script. So here you can see this is the product name. It's really long, so we'll just leave it as it is. This is the product description. So it's capturing whatever it's inside Amazon. So let's have a quick read. MagSafe compatible charging for iPhone and AirPod with magnetic charging for Apple Watch. Charging all everyday essential, quick and easy. Keep your desk tidy, free of outlets, and get rid of cluttered wires and a complete all-in-one place charging station. So that's good. So we'll leave everything as default and see how HeyGen does. And these are the images captured from Amazon. So if we go back to the listing, these are all the images. So it actually scrapes those information, and now it's inside HeyGen. So everything looks good. We click next, and we want to put out who are the target audience. So it could be sort of tech enthusiast. So we choose tech enthusiast. If you have other audience, you can put that in, and you can see there are different language output here. We can do English, Spanish, Portugal, French. So let's do English for now. Click on next step. You can see it's generating the scripts. And now they will have a few variations. So it could be a narrative base, a quick demonstration base, life-changing moment. I think that's too exaggerated. And if you're going to put this video on TikTok, so we can choose this one. Introducing the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to convenience. So I like this one. So, and if you want to edit this, you can also do that. But I'm going to stick with whatever is been done because we're trying to do this at a mass scale. So click next. All right, so we are going to get a few different templates here. So you can see it's either this lady going to just talk over the screen with a few overlays. All right, let's just play the default one.
Introducing the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to convenience. This MagSafe compatible charger is a game changer for your iPhone, phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. With strong magnets and reliable fast charging, it's hassle-free and secure. The portable watch charger lets you power up on the go, while the ergonomic design keeps your phone at the perfect angle for FaceTiming or watching videos. Upgrade your charging game and simplify your life with the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Embrace the future of wireless charging today.
So that's the first layout, and you can see all these different layouts you can choose. So let's say this is the social share. So let's see this
Introducing the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to convenience. This MagSafe compatible charger is a game changer for your iPhone, phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch.
All right, so we'll play one more, and we'll play the full screen. We'll play the full screen plus video.
Introducing the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to convenience. This MagSafe compatible charger is a game changer for your iPhone, phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. With strong
And then if you don't want this avatar, just click on avatar. There will be a few others for you to choose. So far, there are 27 verified HeyGen avatars you can use. So different ethnicity you can choose from here. So we had a lady, a female here, so we can choose another style. This one's like a person walking, holding a microphone. And waiting for a couple of minutes. It's done, and let's see this one.
Introducing the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to convenience. This MagSafe compatible charger is a game changer for your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch.
All right, so let's say we're happy with this one, and we can take this to the next stage. And for those who want to create your own avatar to make these kind of user-generated content, leave a comment. I will do this in the next video if I'm getting some support, some comments from it. So let's hit submit. And let's see how the actual output would look like. All right, says your UGC video is being generated. It'll take a few minutes. Back home. Let's go back home. So it's currently 6%. I mean, these are only less than a minute, probably 30 seconds. So we should be done relatively quick. But then I'll just pause this video. All right, the video is ready. So let's play and see how it looks like.
Introducing the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to convenience. This MagSafe compatible charger is a game changer for your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. With strong magnets and reliable fast charging, it's hassle-free and secure. The portable watch charger lets you power up on the go, while the ergonomic design keeps your phone at the perfect angle for FaceTiming or watching videos. Upgrade your charging game and simplify your life with the ESR 3-in-1 wireless charging set. Embrace the future of wireless charging today.
Okay, that's the first draft. Like, I didn't change anything. That was just straight off from HeyGen. What do you guys think? I think it was actually, it does look authentic to me. Like, it wasn't like some weirdo. The script is not off. The voice is good. And I think that's all you get for UGC, like URL to UGC. There's not much customization in terms of the voice, the tone, the background music. I think that's probably some of the future updates on this particular feature on HeyGen. But the first beta release, I think it is quite good. So let's try Shopify. We've just done Amazon. Let's do Shopify. All right, I'm going to go to Mr. Beat's website. I'm pretty sure this one is done in Shopify because they always put up Shopify ads. All right, let's click on one of these. I'm not sure if this is going to be the same, so let's copy the URL. We'll go back to HeyGen, paste this link. And looks like this is not working for this particular Shopify store. So let's try another Shopify store. All right, we're inside this store called dbrand. So we will just choose one of these iPhone case. And let's just copy the entire URL. Go into HeyGen, paste the link, generate UGC videos. And let's see if we can capture the images and the product description. All right, so it looks like it's working. So we got the product name, iPhone 15 Pro, clear glaze. I would just take out these. You can also add the logo in the video. So let's just stick a random logo here for this video. And product description is here. We'll leave it to it, and you can see all these images look the same. I think it's because there's only one image on this page, or these are like more animated image, slightly different from Amazon. So it might be this particular one. So let's look at some of these older phones, not the popular ones. Let's use some older phones, Google 8. Yeah, these still images probably would be better. So copy this link, go back, paste it, and you can see it's going to be better in this case. All right, sticking the logo back, and you can see all these images are here. So we'll click looking good. So we're going to find who's looking for a Pixel 8. I would just say housewife in this case. And then let's try another language. Let's do Spanish. All right, the script, it's been processing. And then this one's like noisy maker, quick demonstration, super confident, life-changing moment. I'll just use like quick demonstration in this case. I can read Spanish, so you have to be the person to judge their like ChatGPT video scripts. So click next. And we're getting these ones drafted. And if we prefer the intro or mixed intro plus voiceover, let's go this one. And let's play this video.
Atención, amas de casa. ¿Estás buscando una funda para tu Pixel 8 que sea elegante, funcional y que ofrezca una protección suprema? No busques más. Tenemos la solución perfecta para ti. La funda Pixel 8 Grip Case es compatible con MagSafe, lo que significa que cuenta con imanes para una mayor funcionalidad. Sus botones tienen un clic satisfactorio al ser presionados y su diseño preciso y delgado de tan solo 2 milímetros de grosor la convierte en una funda ligera pero resistente. Además, sus tiras de agarre líquido negro en los laterales brindan un mayor agarre y las micro ranuras.
Yeah, I think this one, the transition is not enough. Like it's showing a long time on the product image and it's pretty still. So I think there should be like more lifestyle photos. Maybe we choose another version. Quick transition.
Atención, amas de casa. ¿Estás buscando una funda para tu Pixel 8 que sea elegante, funcional y que ofrezca una protección suprema? No busques más. Tenemos la solución perfecta para ti. La funda Pixel 8 Grip Case.
I think that's fine.
En su super compatibilidad. Pixel 8 merece la mejor.
So if you add the logo, it's going to put like at the end, the call to action. So you can shop on this particular website with their logo. So that is a good feature. But again, I wouldn't choose this one because she's always flicking her hair, which I don't think is natural. All right, so I'm not going to submit this because it will cost credits. And the last video took 0.5, so because it's just 30 minutes, it'll take half of your credit. So that's the basic nutshell of the HeyGen URL to UGC. You could create your user-generated content in scale really quick, just copying the Amazon URL or the e-commerce store URL, put it in, change a few of the wording, and then you can use the stock AI avatars from HeyGen, or you record your own, and that's it. I hope this video was useful for those who are doing Amazon selling. This is going to be an absolute game-changing solution to promote your product. So yeah, if you like this kind of videos, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.